Welcome to Computer Information Systems Module 3.0, Smart Art Graphics. In our previous module, we set the foundation in establishing an excellent utilization of the myriad of tools that Microsoft has to offer, from understanding the different icons to identifying the various menus on the ribbon. Knowledge is power. Instead of using Microsoft as a super typewriter on steroids, we are ready to use some of the more advanced features to gain the most from this incredibly user-friendly software. The Smart Art Graphic tool is available on Microsoft Windows versions 2007 and newer, and even here in Macintosh, as you see us using in this tutorial. If you're utilizing the Apple Macintosh, you'll notice that the Smart Art Graphic is a tab on its own. Smart Art Graphics are simply a visual representation of your information and ideas. Microsoft provides different layouts, as you see here, such as list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, picture, and even additional ones to help you design quickly, easily, and effectively to enhance and strengthen your communication. Excel, PowerPoint, and Word all have tools for creating smart art. However, if you're using a software platform that does not have smart art, you can simply create it in a Word document and copy and paste it. For your homework, you'll be creating a hierarchical structure, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to focus on Other and create one from the pyramid design. In this, we're going to create what is known as Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy has 6 levels of the cognitive domain. As you can see here, we only have 3 levels. Therefore, we're going to have to get the understanding of how to add additional levels to our Smart Art graphic. Let's start with the first level in Bloom's taxonomy. This is known as evaluation. And notice as I was typing in evaluation, the word size and the font or point size adjusted to fit into my Smart Art graphic. Next, we have synthesis. Following synthesis, we have analysis. Now we see that we need to add the 3 additional cognitive domains. In order to do this, you simply go to the left of your Smart Art graphic and open up the text pane. In the text pane, you will find additional tools. The tool to the far left is where you can add additional levels. Next to that, you may delete the levels. You can also adjust the position. Let's add our next level. For the 4th level of Bloom's taxonomy, we have application. Continuing on, adding in our 5th level, comprehension. And for our final and 6th level, knowledge. Now that we've created each of the levels in our hierarchy or in our structure, our smart graphic design, let's say we had this in error. If knowledge was in the wrong place on our levels, we could simply go adjust it. So I can move it to the various levels without having to cut, copy, or paste. Again, saving a great deal of time and being much more user-friendly than in the previous versions when we had to create shapes and add text boxes. Now we're ready to insert our color. From colors, we can simply choose one of the options that Microsoft has already loaded in there, so we'll use very colorful. And then we can even go to the various Smart Art styles, allowing us to be very creative in our layout and design. If I wanted to customize any specific color on my pyramid, I could also do that from the formatting tool. In formatting, I would simply go to the Fill button and choose my color preference. Therefore, I've been able to easily add any additional tools. Now in this tutorial, you saw me create a Smart Art graphic pyramid. Again, for your assignment, you're going to need to create a hierarchy. You may choose any one of the hierarchical structures. And hierarchy is showing various levels of order. In the hierarchical domain, you can create a family tree, the branches of government, a corporate structure, a hierarchical structure of a sports team, or even levels in a gaming program. Be creative and inventive. Display your knowledge in a new visual format. Now that you have the tools, you are destined for greatness.